Welcome. If you've ever struggled to find files you've shared with a contact on Telegram, you're not alone. With so many messages and attachments, it can be tricky to locate that important document or photo. Today, I'll show you the simplest way to find all common files with any contact on Telegram, updated for 2025. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main chat screen. Next, go to the chat with the contact whose shared files you want to view. If you don't see the chat immediately, just use the search bar at the top of your screen and type in their name. This will quickly bring up the conversation, no matter how old it is. Once you're inside the chat, look at the very top of the screen. You'll see either the contact's profile picture or their name. Tap on it. This action will open up the contact's profile and reveal more options related to your chat history. Now, you'll notice a horizontal list of categories, such as media, files, links, and more. Swipe or tap until you see the option labeled Files. Go ahead and tap on Files. Instantly, you'll see a complete list of every file that's ever been shared between you and this contact, neatly organized and easy to browse. This includes documents, PDFs, images, and any other file types you've exchanged. From here, you can scroll through the list to find the specific file you need. Tap on any file to open, view, or download it directly to your device. This method saves you time and eliminates the need to scroll endlessly through your chat history. And that's it. With these quick steps, you can always access all shared files with any contact on Telegram. No more lost documents or missed attachments. Everything you need is just a few taps away. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to make the most of your Telegram experience.